Mr. Chairman, I got to say one other thing. I agree with you on one thing, that we obviously, I think we need to do a bonding bill. But I'm going to tell you that my wants and my needs speech, and you've heard this before, is we have needs, and I think needs are bridges, our roads, our truck stations, our military, men and women serving. But wants are like the zoo, and I'm sorry if that offends somebody. No, I'm actually not. The zoo or the Ordway or whatever the project is. I just don't know how we can go home when I got 17% unemployment in Brainerd. I don't know how. I'm trying to figure in my mind, how do I explain that to the folks back home, because they think that they don't understand that we're borrowing the money. They think that we're just spending it. How do I explain that to them on these projects that are really kind of, in essence, fun stuff, really?